12 in the morning, pop shells for a living, and baby gon' smell blood trail every minute. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack.
Off the stove. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I've been thinking about this all day.
Just go back at it with another vlog.
Yeah, what's up?
Back at it. Hey, by the way, maybe
Keep it
copyright
tuned.
issue. Maybe you copyright strike this straight coming out.
Fuck you, bro. Get it, bro?
Oh shit!
Understand. I've been thinking.
Shut the
about
fuck
this all
up.
day long.
You died, and how did it die?
You were raped
Oh,
By a guy named
by a
Tyrone.
chicken.
that's not possible.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go!
Stefan Curry's on
Hey, 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 hey! Oh shit, shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey! Oh shit! Oh shit!
They're on the map.
Like actual real money or?
Yeah, they put it in a container and you gotta find it.
It's a lie.
And you can actually get money.
Nah, that's a lie.
No, trust me, I did it one before. I found like a sticker. Some people put like
Oh, electric cars, the future's here, bro. That's pretty dope. Oh shit. It's getting creepier, right? Is it?
shit, is that it?
What?
It's over here.
There's that big bucket thing.
Shit, what is this for? What is this?
Oh shit, somebody that lives right there.
Dude, what the fuck is this?
I don't know. Look, somebody lives right there. Look, it has like...
Oh shit, it's a pillow right.
Are you sure you want to look for it?
It's over here. See you over here.
Let's get out of here real quick.
I gotta take a shit, man.
The emblem! Bro. Illuminati confirmed. No, I was kidding. So it's closer, right? We're close to it?
Straight down.
Imagine it's a hobo. You found the price!
Yeah.
Is there anything in there?
No.
Oh. Well, that app doesn't work.
Are you sure? Look. You go look at it. This is read more.
Puppy. What's up, puppy? You found it?
Yeah.
Bro, what's in that bag? What does it say?
Those are the dates that people found this.
Oh, that's dope.
People write it and say they found it. They're supposed to put something in it, but they didn't put crap.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're already in the car show, and it's an awesome car show. You see the Subaru BRZ. People are already getting here. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, let's go.
Hey shit, why don't I send them all this?
Get it, Jolencito. Go right here. I'll open it up.
Here we go.
Forget it, bro. Trying to be fancy. Wait. Bro, you're gonna make it fall. Just leave it like that. Come on, right. There you go. There you go.
You want to go all the way out there.
Thank you.
Hey, Julian. Julian, what's your favorite car?
My favorite car?
Yeah, cause this is a
Like a
car
favorite
show.
sports car, or like a favorite car that I could just pimp it out myself.
Pimp it out.
Pimp it out. Honestly, it might be that Subaru that you're talking about. You said the
WRX?
Subaru, yeah, the Subaru WRX 2.5R. And I actually like looked it up.
It's
and
an
stuff like
Impreza 2.5R.
Huh?
Impreza 2.5R.
That's it.
The WRX is like the stood up version.
Yeah. Well,
But
that one, I guess.
I mean, this Impreza 2.5, you can still it up yourself and make it, you know, you can like fix it up yourself, mess with the intake, exhaust, horsepower, whatever. So yeah. What is your other car?
My other car?
Yeah.
As far as like an actual sports car,
Uh-huh.
I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna be maybe a Maserati. Even though like what is it?
It's really good. I mean,
Why'd you look around?
because Maserati is a very expensive car. I was kidding.
Yeah, well,
It's not a sport car. It's exotic.
I still love it. I
Okay,
still like
well.
it. And then shit, what's the other one? What's that?
BRZ.
No. It's like already a sports car. It like looks like an Aston Martin a little bit.
Jaguar. F-Type.
Oh, actually Jaguars. As far as like getting like a good car that isn't exactly a sports car, but it could be one. Jaguars are my favorite brand of cars. It's like as far as like an actual line of cars, Jaguar is my favorite.
I heard you own one.
Yeah.
It's
How?
an old ugly one.
No, it's not.
It's an old classic one.
Ugly.
No, it's not.
It's very beautiful.
You think that hot guys are ugly and ugly guys are hot? That's what happened.
I think
Ooh,
white guys
goddamn.
are hot and guys like you are ugly.
Oh shit.
Juliancito, what are you trying to say?
No comment.
I'm just saying that her attitude is ugly.
Oh.
And I don't really care.
As the first car, I won a WRX or a 2.5 RS, and that's for now, this is my favorite car. My favorite car right now is the BRZ, and my dream car is a Lamborghini Gallardo or a Huracan. Gallardo or Huracan, those are my favorite cars. Hey, what's up, guys? So, remember last time when we were just chilling, what we were doing, I don't remember. Well, fuck it. It's the same day. I don't give a fuck what you guys say. I'm just kidding. So, we were not. Oh, yeah. Well, okay, so this is the S2000. And we actually driving this nice Camry, you know what's up. So, anyways, I want to take the license plate out of here. So, we're over here with Julian, who always hangs out with us. And he's in my last video. And there's Anthony. He doesn't really like car shows, but
He doesn't like much.
But his dad owns two Corvette Stingray 1978 Corvette Stingrays, and they're really nice. So I'm gonna review it for you guys. Just support me on my Instagram at Keep It Tuned, and it's awesome. Don't forget double N. And just look at that sexy ass car. That's my dream car. Not you, you fucking fuck. Get the fuck away. That sexy fuck right there. That sexy fuck right there. That sexy fuck right there.
I bet you're zooming in on my face right now. Hell yeah.
Okay.
Motherfucking keep on getting closer.
Hell yeah, bro. And this is all for you
And
guys.
2020 wants to get.
Things. Fine as hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my god. That's my baby. Caroline, you divine. Mighty fine. Shorty really blow the pipe. Like a pro.
Fuck you thought.
Holy shit. I'm really lit.
What up, guys?
Hey, what up,
It's
guys?
Alex here
Hey, what's
with another double upload.
bro? What's wrong with you, bro?
I'm trying to record
No, I'm trying to record, bro.
with my YouTube channel.
No, my YouTube channel. I'm Alex.
Dude, I'm Alex.
No, I own Keep It Tuned.
Everybody.
The fuck is that?
What the fuck?
Why you recording?
What the fuck are you recording?
Hey guys.
Fucking-
This is my blog.
Who gives a
look
fuck?
at it- I mean, look at this wonderful car.
Alright, guys,
This is
look
a
at this bag right here.
He said, this is a 1992. Okay. I love my friends. Okay, see you guys later. Yeah.